Hi everybody, Chief Forecaster Jason Frazer here. So I just want to break in the programming to let you know about a new tornado warning that just popped up. This is on the northern edge right now of Beaufort County. We could also see some thunderstorms, some pea to dime size hail, and we could also potentially see some tornadoes tomorrow. It took the National Weather Service about 45 minutes to figure out that this was a tornado, and that was largely because of the video that you sent into our newsroom. If you live in Glenville right now and you don't see rain, you should see rain within the next 5 to 7 minutes. 65 degrees, partly sunny skies. I love this guy dancing here. Now, this is a very big storm. It's about 500 miles wide, and that has prompted a number of watches and warnings. Quite a few people got a scare when they saw this funnel cloud. EF0s, generally speaking, have winds between 65 to 85 miles per hour. Here in Port Wentworth, there was a possible tornado that touched down. The National Weather Service will be out there tomorrow. She was also doing her impression of Bird Box. Have you seen the movie? Well, I don't know about you guys, but looking at Futurecast, yeah, I'm going to feel just like that as well. She would have lit into me, and I probably would not be here right now. So thank the Lord that I didn't do that.
Yeah, it would have been a big scene for me and my mama, too.
Hopefully you are enjoying all of the videos and whatnot that we are posting here, and as you can see, we got a very excited crowd here.
Your first warning weather with forecaster Jason Frazer.
Well, Reverend Frank was out in downtown Savannah up with his drone shot, and look at what he took a picture of downtown over here it is the Savannah City Hall. Rev, thank you so much. We appreciate you. This is such a gorgeous shot there. All right, as always, my friends, if you have an equally beautiful shot, I'd love to see it. Send it over to me to weather@WTGS.com, and I may use it here on the broadcast. All right, so live Doppler radar right now shows us that we do have 1 or 2 showers that are moving right through the area, including over in Glenville as well as Baxley, and this is extending all the way out into Tifton right now. And as we take a much wider view, you can see just how large the system is. This is what's going to be bringing us some showers not only overnight, but also tomorrow morning as well. Matter of fact, as we put Futurecast into motion, you'll notice 6 a.m. Hazelhurst, Baxley, as well as Alma. You guys will be seeing some light showers move through your neighborhood. I wouldn't also be surprised if I also saw some showers move through Little Wissy as well as Hinesville a little bit later, right around 8 o'clock. At around 11 o'clock, I am anticipating to see those showers move through Richmond Hill, as well as Port Wentworth, Pooler, Savannah, and Hardyville. And then you'll notice right around 2 to 3 o'clock, we start to see the sun again, and we do get some clearing that happens. I do anticipate also seeing just some clouds around for Sunday, but Sunday looks to be like the better of the 2 weekend days. 33 was our low this morning. We warmed up to 63, and outside your window right now, we are much warmer than we were this time last night. 55 here in Savannah, 53 over in Richmond Hill, 52 out in the borough. And as you can see, much of the United States is warming up as well. Remember, all week I've been talking about Minneapolis, where they have seen negative temperatures, and they are on the plus side at 12 degrees. All right, so tomorrow morning when you wake up, if you live along the coastline, you are going to see a little bit warmer temperatures. We're expecting temperatures to be around 52 degrees at 7 a.m., a little bit chillier north and west of the city in the upper 40s. And then tomorrow afternoon, I do anticipate that many spots will warm up to around 60 degrees. It will depend on how quickly that cloud cover moves out of our area. If the clouds stick around, we'll see lower high temperatures, but if they move out of here earlier enough, we will see temperatures warm up into the middle 60s. By 11 o'clock tomorrow night, we will see temperatures go down to the low 50s. So if you're wondering what to wear tomorrow, I do think just the light jacket will be just fine for you. All right, overnight, we're expecting temperatures anywhere from 46 to about 50 degrees. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. So tomorrow, my friends, is Groundhog Day, and will General Lee see his shadow? I don't think so, just because we're going to have a lot of clouds in around our area. So I'm anticipating an early spring. Sunday is the big game. Can you believe it? And I know all of you are thinking, what, Jason? Really? You're expecting the Rams to beat the Patriots? Yes, I am. If you're heading up to the northwest part of Georgia, expect a high temperature of 58 degrees and partly sunny skies. Well, it was a beautiful day today, including over in Chippewa Square here in Savannah. The Reverend Frank was out shooting, and as you can see, he captured this lovely picture. Thank you so much, Rev. We appreciate you. If you would like to see your weather picture featured, I have two ways you can get it to me. You can either email it to weather@wtgs.com, or you can go to our website right there, fox28media.com, and select the Chime In link. In our weather segment, we call What Your Weather App Won't Tell You. It has been dry, and that, my friends, is having a real big impact on some of those rivers. Matter of fact, some of the streams have been reduced down to 24%. And as you can see, all of the yellow means that we are abnormally dry. And in the brown spots that you see up in Hampton and to the west of Statesboro, we have a moderate drought going on. And my big concern with that is that eventually it may cause us to have to put some restrictions on when you water your lawn and whatnot. Here's what you need to know for right now. It is dry for now, and the next couple of days. Tomorrow we're going to see a warm up, and we are going to finally get some rain in here next week. And speaking of our next rainmaker, it's going to come Monday night into Tuesday. So Monday night I'm expecting a shower or two to push through in Statesboro as well as Sylvania, and then Tuesday morning here comes the sun, and then right behind the sun by lunchtime we're expecting showers to move through. For now, live Doppler radar shows us that even though we do have some clouds in around the area, none of them are producing any rain showers. And as we put Skyview into motion tomorrow morning, Ridgeland as well as Hampton, Hardeeville, Savannah, and Richmond Hill, everybody's going to have mostly clear skies. Here's what the current temperature is outside your window right now. 60 degrees in Savannah, 61 up in Hilton Head, 59 over in Ridgeland. Tomorrow morning, it's going to be rather chilly out there. We're talking about lower 40s for inland communities like Metter at 43 here in Savannah, upper 40s, and by the afternoon, I think you're going to like what the high temperature is, right around 70 degrees. All right, so overnight, we're expecting temperatures right around the lower 40s, 41 in Statesboro, 48 over in Hilton Head. Out walking the dog, it is a yellow paw alert because some of you will see temperatures right around 47 degrees at 7 a.m. And if you're wondering what to wear, because it is going to be cold tomorrow, grab a jacket at least for the first couple of hours. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. So the weekend looks pretty good. 71 for Saturday, 74 on Sunday, and then the warmest day out of the next 7 days will be Monday. I do think some spots could even see 80 degrees, even though the high temperature here in Savannah will be 77. Cold front comes through, and that's what triggers off those showers. And you'll notice that on Tuesday, the high temperature is only going to be in the 60s. Trey?